Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to quickly disable those miscellaneous notifications in Gmail that tend to clutter your phone and distract you from what really matters. Let's get right into it. If you want to keep Gmail running smoothly, but get rid of unnecessary notifications, just follow these steps. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is your main control room for every app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every installed app, so it shouldn't take long to find what you need. Once you're in the apps list, locate and tap on Gmail. This brings up all the information and controls related to the Gmail app. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see all the notification options Gmail uses to alert you throughout the day. Look for notification categories. It might be just under the main toggle for allowing notifications. Tap this option to dig deeper into the types of notifications Gmail sends. Within these categories, scroll until you find Miscellaneous. This is the one that handles those odd notifications that don't fit under your typical primary or promotional emails. To finally put an end to these, simply toggle Miscellaneous off. That's right, just tap the switch, and you'll stop seeing these extra alerts. With these changes, you'll still get the important email notifications you want, but you won't be distracted by unnecessary miscellaneous alerts. If you ever want to turn them back on, just follow these same steps and flip the toggle back. Customizing your notification experience can make your day more productive and help you focus on what really counts. If this guide helped you clean up your notification center, consider exploring more ways to personalize your device settings. Thanks for joining.